5 minutes. I'm fast. Toby. Toby, 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 Toby. Toby. Toby, 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 Toby. Toby. Your stuff. Nice pen.
Your parents pay for this part?
I pay half. You sweat a lot.
'Cause I gotta work tonight. I'm gonna go home and take a shower. Call me tomorrow.
Not too early for a drink. No? Okay.
Yeah. You were in the shower, so I let myself in. I put the key back.
Laughs don't come cheap these days, do they? Can make a dick and fart joke that might be more on your level. Hi, Kate.
I'm picking up my plant. Thanks for taking care of it, by the way. Lucky I didn't have a dog. Dogs, lucky. Dogs
Katie.
are lucky. I was going to
Katie.
have some people over tonight. Have a person over. My boyfriend, actually. He's waiting outside.
Why do you do that? Why do you tiptoe around the fact that you broke up with me?
I feel like I was a waste of time to you.
You know what it's... Kate. Last night I saw The Perfect Couple.
You know, every time I leave, I forget why I'm doing it. And every time I come back, I remember
You know what?
that...
Fuck it. You were a waste of time to me.
He's waiting outside.